The Honor Play, Huawei Mobile, or their sister company, what have you. Open that. Yeah, let's have a look there. Huawei Tech. Feels heavier than the 8X I got. I think that was glass with, I don't know if it's aluminium. It was hard a bit to tell. It's pretty solid. Yeah, nice. And again, we've got the iPhone, you know, remember that iPhone look where you've got more of the screen being used. This is smaller than the 8X that I've reviewed. And the colour is like a matte blue, where the other one was really highly glossy. And what comes with that, we've got, there you can see the SIM removal pin, and no doubt we've got the manuals, paperwork, a quick start guide, warranty card, and a phone cover, which is great because you get a phone cover, it's exactly right size for the phone, and you'll instantly have got protecting your phone from scratches and things. Then we've got the charger. Yeah, Huawei. Then you can see that. Genuine article. And then USB lead. Now this one is USB-C. The Honor 8X was USB, and this is USB-C. So this you can put in any way. So that's a lot easier. That seems to be all in the box. Not a lot else in there. So let's see if there's any power in this. We have power. That lovely little 3D embossed text there. It's quite nice. GPU turbo. And EMU. So we'll find out what version that is. Let's see if I can skip any of this. Terms of use. Well, I think you have to accept all of them. No SIM card skip. Wi-Fi. Skip that for now. This is Google. So we can. It's already got this send diagnostics, which I'm turning off. Help find location. Turn that off. Improved. Don't want any of those. And I think you can accept turning them off. I don't know later on. I will be setting up fingerprint ID because that is, sorry about the light, that is, yeah, the fingerprint thing is excellent. Now this is enhanced services with the EMUI, so really you want to enable all of those. If you want to read it further, choose no or not, it's up to you. But it's just because I put no thanks for joining their experience improvement. Yeah, it's down to personal preferences, and no doubt the EMUI is with the Honor phone, so you want to probably get those best things. It says I can import. Unfortunately, I haven't got anything to import just yet. You can recover your personal data settings. Okay, just a bit of information. Finish. Okay, we're done. EMUI. All set. %50 charge. No doubt there's probably some games on here, I would have thought, being a phone that's kind of geared for games. Now the EMUI version we'll have a look at. This is supported for Android 9 because it's generally kind of a games phone. You go down to system, about phone. Now this has come with 8.2 and 8.1. We get 4 gig of RAM, 64 storage. All good. They are Kirin 970. Okay, so I've connected it to the Wi-Fi there. Back into about phone system. I'm just going to click system update first of all. It says there's a new version 9, so that's exactly what is great. This is a 4 GB file, so it's quite a big one there. So does that mean it's actually downloading? Here we go, 6%, so it's downloading there. That's going to take a little while. What I'll do, I'll come back to that. Now when it gets to 99%, it's potentially might take a few seconds. What we've got done here, we've got verifying. So this is going to take a little while on this 3.96 GB file. Yes, freshly opened phone this, so the screen saver keeps, well, the screen timeout keeps kicking in really early. Here we go, install now. So it's going to do a restart. I'm just scrolling along the phone. Powered by Android. Here we go. This is a new phone. Look at all the dust on it. It's basically the EMUI that's being updated here. Right, another thing, a little bit quicker than the download, so promising it could be on there quite soon. Once it does install, it'll have to reboot, and then it'll be doing little updates and getting the system in check. So let's skip to the end of this. Okay, got to 100% pretty quickly, and now it's just literally rebooting. It's the optimizing apps. Don't know if you can see that. Optimizing apps at 76%. That's going quite quickly. Normally that happens when you're inside the operating system, which maybe it's slower, but that was pretty quick. Either that or because I haven't added any of my own apps. Well, I didn't expect that. Whether that actually sets it permanently, I don't know. Where's the spring one? That'll do. Okay, let's get into the phone. We've got an agreement thing here that's come up. So, join the experience program. That's the same as before that I skipped, so I'm going to skip that again. Finish. Yeah, I want it to update automatically as such. It'll notify me. So let's go back into system. This is looks a little bit different, a little bit tighter, a bit tidier. About the phone. So now it's saying we have EMUI 9 and also Android 9. Let's have a look at the software update. Here we go, 9. There's another little package to add to here. This is a security. So download and install that as well. This is this is also quite big, 1.69 gigabytes. And no doubt that will change to some downloading screen possibly. Yeah, look, pull that down, comes up with the percentage. Didn't know it was sort of so high. So that's another update we go in there. %, verifying again. Install now. Doing a restart. So now we've got this installer again. Verifying the update package again. Okay, this security update is a smaller file. Just a little bit slow installing it. So this is obviously secure things. These usually are a little bit slower. Being a bit more thorough. Yeah, this is quite slow. So you may want to go and make a cup of tea or do something else for a few minutes. Okay, so we've got 100%. It's rebooted itself. And yet again, optimizing the apps. Although this is just speeding up really quickly. There's probably not too many that it needs to optimize since it's optimized them already. So quickly reboot back up. Updating the Android, common thing to see. So that's all done. If you've got any questions about this phone, feel free to leave comments below. If you've bought this phone, if you like this phone, you're thinking of buying the phone. Okay, thank you.